What is multiple childhood? Multiple childhood refers to the different kinds of childhood seen in India. Ka multiple childhood ka kadau ya ki khanna ki ba bon jain ki ba ngila ban yo I ha ri India jongi. Number 1. Social-economically higher class children. These children belong to the highest class in the society and are financially secure. Kine ki kana ki long ki ba wan na ka yeng ka sem ka ba yo ba kon ka ba biang ka kamay ka ji ha ka liang pisa pilain. Number 2. Socio-economically middle class children. This is one of the big groups in the society, and half of the population of India falls under this category. Number 2. Socio-economically middle class children. This is one of the big group in the society, the middle class children. And half of the population of India is occupied by the middle class people, which falls under this category. It is defined in terms, or we can find out they belong to the middle class family from their income, culture, value, education, etc. of the family. Ki khanna ki bahab hapo kane ka social economically middle class ki long kita ki khanna ki ba yo kampadeng lane ki ba ka kamay ka je jongki kami ki pa jongki ka long ka ba kham duna kampadeng ban ki shim ya ka jaka ka ba bon tam marshiteng na ka population jongka India. Ngila ban itho ya ki ba ki day ki socio-economical middle class children na ka jingyo jingkot jongki kme ki pa jongki na ka rukom jingle jingbot jongki na ka dustur jongki na ka jingnang jing start jongki ka jing pendep eki puli puti but ya na kiwe di. Number 3. Socio-economically lower class children. These children falls under the below poverty line of the socio-economic status of their family. Kine ki kana ki long ki day ki to ki kana ki baham hapo ka jing dok below the poverty line na ka jing yo jingkot jong ki kme ki kapa jong ki. Number 4. Children with special needs. These children are children who need special help from the family and the society as a whole, as they cannot fully participate in the society because they cannot do it by themselves or participate fully in the society. Kine pat ki khana children with special needs kide ki khana ki badan kam ya ka jingerap karpang na ki bahayang basem bat na ka imlang sa lang hi baroka way namar ba kim la ban le ya barok ki jet kam la ne ban ya shimbanta ha ka imlang sa lang. Number 5 is children with learning difficulties. These children are those children who face difficulty in reading, writing, calculation, in paying attention, in controlling their behavior, and are very hyperactive. Kine pat ki khana ki day ki to ki khana ki ba sham jing shitam ha ka jing tho jing tar jing pule ka jing ken haka jing la ban snap haka jing long joki namarba ki long compare kata ka jing long ki long pair na ki wepat ki parakan na. Number 6 are the orphans children. Orphans are those children whose both parents are dead, no more in this world. Yaki orphan pan ngila ban ong dakaktin khasi ki khon swet. Kibala yam baro or kikmiki kpa. Number 7 are the delinquents children. Children who got involved in a crime, who are antisocial, anti-law, indecent and immoral conduct, who do the immoral conduct which is not suitable for a child to do. Kine pan ki delinquents children ngila ban ong kito ki kana kiba la sha san ha patong ha along ne ki kana kiba le ya ki kam kiba snew kiba mi ha bat ka imlang sa lang bat ka an kiba le persya ya ka an ki bam im bha ya ka jing im kum ki kana ban kiba le ya ki kam kiba snew. Number 8 are children having single parents. These children are staying only with his or their father or the mother only, but not with both parents. This case may be either due to the divorce or separation of the parents. Kine kidei ki kana kiba shong tang bat kakme marwe lane tang bat u kapa marwe ha kaba ki kme ki pa jong ki kim sa lang shu ha ka ju ka yin kala banlong na ka daw bakila ya shong klat. Child labor. Children below the age of 14 years who are forced to work commercially to earn money, to earn livelihood, are called child labor. Kini ki child labor kidei kito ki kana kiba hapo ka khat saus nem karata kiba la pa ban tray ban kamai jakpo yakini la khot ki child labor. Number 10, survivor of child abuse. These children are children who was abused at an early age, either physically, mentally, socially, or emotionally, or maltreatment and harassment of children. Kine ki kana kidei kito ki kana kiba la sha leben hakrta kapad dangrit bha da ka ba lebenya ki hakaliang kamet kapan ka jingmut jimperkan ka imlang sa lang ka jing sngew ka jing lebenya ki ka jing pen shitom palat pot yaki